I look like giving up today when tomorrow might be the day I win.
Alright guys, so I'm back with another video. This is a mini tutorial for the butterfly feed-ins. Right here I'm just adding a piece of the curly hair just to hang in the front. I've already braided down her real hair in stitch braids, and I just crocheted the braiding hair through. I do like the crochet method better because clients do have more options in terms of the colors that they want to use without having to worry about their real hair peeking through. And I'm just braiding it on down, guys. Really simple, nice, classy, elegant style. And wherever you do want the braid thicker at, just go and grab maybe 2 or 3 more pieces from each side. Right here you can see where I added 2 pieces to the braid just to make it a little bit fuller. Love that 3D look. Get into it, get into it. And just keep going on down. Guys, it's really simple. Normally I do pin it up in the back, but she wanted hers hanging, and we did add a little curl at the end for a little razzle dazzle. And then once you finish, just go back and fluff the braid out. That's it. Stay tuned for more videos.